Can I kick it?
Morning everybody. Today we're off to Radius Fabrications. Not really typically the job I'd take on, but when a mate calls you and he's like, remember that job I was telling you about? And I wanted to take a four-wheel drive show, Brisbane four-wheel drive show. Yeah, we've got 12 weeks to do it. And my dumb ass can't help but to say yes. But anything to help a mate out, and a bit of pressure's good. Nothing makes things happen more than a deadline. So we're going to throw some stuff in the car, head down to Radius. Today we're doing some epoxy primer, some bedliner in the wheel arches and the floor and stuff. And I'll give you an update when we get there.
stage 2 of Richie's Brisbane 4-wheel drive show build, I guess. So what we've done today, we've gone through, we've prepped everything with 80 grit red Scotch Brite, cleaned it with methone water, Prepsol, acetone. We've gone through, we've put black epoxy primer on, we've let that flash off. We've gone through, seam sealed it. We've added some seam sealer in some spots where Richie's plugged some holes and done some modifications, as in, like, say, the roof and the rear wall, because this was once a wagon. So he's cut that and brought it all forward, made a full rear wall in it with bead rolls in it and everything. So we've seam sealed up around all this framework, not only for moisture and weather, but noise, vibration, stuff like that. Same thing, epoxy, brush on seam sealer in here. Again, added it to where we needed it, and then also where it wasn't in factory, where I thought, you know, it could probably need it. I believe this car's going to be heading around Australia doing some touring after it's gone to four-wheel drive show and stuff. So yes, stage 2, epoxy, seam sealer, spray on Bedliner. Richie will unmask this tomorrow. Next stage is the engine bay. So stay tuned. We've got to pick out some colours. We welded up an extra couple of holes, so I have to revisit that with some epoxy primer, some filler work, stuff like that. But the next big stage is engine bay paint, so engine can go in. The poly's still curing, so while that poly's curing, Richie's putting the engine in, making sure that his exhaust clears, all these brake lines are accounted for, intercooler lines, all that stuff. Just almost do a full fit up on it. Just make sure we've really dotted our I's, cross our T's. Then I'll get the engine bay painted. Engine transmission will come back out. Painted engine transmission back in. So whilst I'm sanding the outside of this car, Richie can keep progressing within this engine bay. So because of the tight deadline, it's really important, obviously, just to keep this project going. But yeah, otherwise that's a wrap. Sorry I didn't film the bodywork and the early stages of this car. It was over the Christmas break. I'm new to filming, and I'm just under the pump. So I'll be doing a lot more filming on this car right the way through the process. And I can't make any promises, but I'll do my best not to forget about anything else for you guys. Have a good one.